Morning guys, I'm in Cusco. Today I got a few things to do in downtown, so I think I will bring you guys along with me. But first, let me show you my room. That's my bed. It has a private bathroom, a shelf, closet, working desk, which is very important, a big window. I'm able to watch the sunset from my room every day, and the night scene here is amazing. Besides the view, the most important thing is that it's only $10 a night. I share this apartment with my landlord, so there's a shared kitchen outside, and the living room is so beautiful as well. But I don't think I should show to you guys because my landlord is also living here, so I just would like to give her a little bit of privacy. 99% of the travelers come to Cusco because they would like to visit Machu Picchu. In order to visit Machu Picchu, you need to purchase your ticket online in advance. Recently, the website has been acting up. It seems like the authority, they are holding all the tickets and we are not able to purchase. Last week when I came, I could only purchase a ticket 5 weeks in advance, which is quite insane. I heard that before pandemic, you need to book your tickets 3 months in advance, but we are still in pandemic. Yesterday, I went to the website again and I found that they released the tickets for the coming 2 weeks. So I went to downtown, to the office, to change my ticket for next week. In order to change the ticket, I need to pay 10% penalty, but it's not my fault at all. Yesterday, I also purchased a round-trip train ticket to Machu Picchu online. They are having a great discount in these few days. It's like buy one, get one free. However, I need to go to their office to redeem the boarding pass. I always wonder why they need to have a big office in downtown while everyone is purchasing their ticket online. As I mentioned before, my room is $10 a night, but it's not close to downtown. I need to walk around 20 minutes. But on the opposite side, there's a market where I can do my groceries. Okay, this is the little alley I need to pass through every day in order to go to downtown. Can you see the car is coming? I think it will go to a residential area. There's a hair salon. A tour company. Oh, you can do laundry here. Restaurants, convenience store. Yeah. The balcony is so nice. And can you see the flag? That colorful flag is the flag of Cusco. Okay, we are on some sort of main street. A lot of cars all the time. When there's no traffic light, the cars just don't let people pass. Oh, by the way, this is a JW Marriott. Can you guys see the ladies? The alpaca is like a pet. So, they will come to ask you if you would like to take a photo with them. Cactus is a supermarket which is very close to downtown. That's more like a supermarket for tourists, but that's okay because I'm able to find noodles. I need to get money. If you look for the ATM called Multi-Red, they don't have any service charge. But every time I can only get like 400 soles. It has no service charge because it is a national bank. But people just told me that there's no more money in that machine. That's okay, I just took some yesterday. Let's go to my favorite cafe. Okay. It's already 12, but they still have breakfast, so that's good. They download this video from a China version of YouTube. For the same breakfast set, it was 16 soles yesterday, but today they charge 70 soles by just changing the name from basic to continental. Now I would like to show you where's the office to get the Machu Picchu ticket if you don't want to purchase it online. Okay, we just left the Three Monkey Cafe and then make a turn left The office is over there. Not this one. We walk a little bit further. Okay. It's over there. Now I'm gonna top up my phone and then to pick up my train ticket, and then we can check out the downtown. Oh, that's a cheaper restaurant. Wow, a lot of meat. When we walk down the street, there's a cattle. Fantastic. They don't have the promotion that I had previously, so I paid for the original price, but I'm glad they didn't require me to wear double mask. Shoe shining in Peru. Wow. It's a busy street. Now we are going to the main square to pick up the train ticket. This is Plaza de Armas, the main square. In this area you can find North Face, Patagonia, because there are lots of hiking to do in Cusco. Of course, you can also find a lot of travel agencies, souvenir shop, money exchange, ATM, restaurants, and what else? Many things. Restaurants are mostly on the second floor, so you can gaze the view. Of course, all the restaurants around this area are way more expensive. There are two train companies which can go to Machu Picchu. One is Inca Rail, but I booked Peru Rail. Peru Rail is right next to KFC and McDonald's. Lunchtime, seriously. In this case, I still have to wait for 1 hour and 10 minutes. So I'll go to look for my friends. You know, I don't really see people wear high heels here. That's one. And two churches here. You can go inside to take a look, but I think you need to pay. That's Starbucks. It's very nice inside. We will go into that alley right next to the church. This is the Inca wall, flawless. This is the wall from the church. It was rebuilt because of the earthquake. The Inca wall survived nicely. Maybe the in charge up there tell us the church shouldn't exist. Ooh, my friends, alpacas and llamas. I forgot to bring them carrot. Now we go into an alley right next to Paddy's Irish Pub because it has lots of shops, so I can kill time, and I would like to get an outfit as well. Look at the street here. I don't know. What's that for? Is for the water? That's a very fancy Chinese restaurant. Souvenirs, that's from the second block. The ladies here, they sell outfits, accessories, sometimes paintings as well. Wow, we are so chill here. Look at it, absolutely touristy. But that's okay. Over here too. If you would like to have some free training, walk up there every day. This is the famous wall. Starting from here. And we go, I think somewhere up there. Let's make a turn and go to this street. Look at the wall here. It go inside a little bit. Oh, I think this part they rebuilt it. That's not the original one. I couldn't get any outfit, but I got 2 booklets instead for stamps. Now I'm waiting for the Peru Rail office to open so that I can redeem a ticket, and then I'm gonna head home because I'm running out of battery. When the weather is so nice and you feel like to film, and then you have no battery. Alright, I came back. I just got my ticket. They sent me e-ticket to my email address anyway, but they did ask me to provide my passport and the 4-digit number of the credit card that I used for purchasing the ticket. It is not necessary to go to the office to redeem the ticket. Instead, you can just go to the train station at least 45 minutes earlier to do that. In order to get on board, you need to fill out a health declare form. Tomorrow, I will go to Mercado San Pedro, which is a very big local market in Cusco. Of course, I will bring you guys along, so stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Bye!